Hog Trail Radio here. So, you, as you can see up there in that comment, want to transmit on the marine band. So, you and all your boating buddies got together. They all have very high-powered radios. They have gigantic antennas, and you don't want to spend that kind of money. You already spent all that money on a boat. Well, what you could do is go get yourself a UV5R. Now, what the UV5R can do, if it is unlocked, is transmit on those said boating frequencies. Is it type accepted? Is it allowed? Is it within the rules and regulations? No, it is not. But let's be honest, if you are stranded, your boat is sinking, and you have other boating buddies who are out and about and they're leaving you in the dust because they think they're being fun, cool, and fast, get on your FM transceiver here and you'll be able to transmit on the very high frequency which has the marine band in it. You can also go into Chirp and program in the marine band channels into your Baofeng UV5R. They actually have a preset just for marine band in case someone gets stranded. Let's say you only had one channel in mind. Let's say that channel was channel 13 for the marine band, 156.650 megahertz. You type that straight in there with your unlocked UV5R, then you press the push to talk button. Now, I'm not going to do that for a multitude of reasons. A, this is a UV5G. This is not the UV5R. It is not unlocked. B, I'm not on a boat. C, would never break the FCC rules, right? In conclusion, yes, you can use the Baofeng UV5R to talk on marine radio. Get yourself a couple of connection pieces so you can hook up to one of those gigantic, and oh, would you look at that? In conclusion, yes, you can get the Baofeng UV5R to transmit on the marine band. It could be a lifesaver. Now, that being said, get some of those connection pieces that help you actively connect your radio to an antenna that is 10, 20 feet tall so that you can get out there and get it programmed and then get the antenna tuned to that band as much as possible. It could be a lifesaver.